worldwide first has been completed. The first automated drone airport has been integrated into an operational hospital. Helicus targets human medical sample delivery from Diksmuide Clinic to the Central Hospital Lab in Ypres, which is a 26 kilometers land route. Pneumatic tube containers can now automatically be offloaded and delivered deep inside the hospital building in the clinical laboratory via the hospital's pneumatic tube system. Basically, after manually loading in Diksmuide, the clinical samples can be delivered without any further human intervention directly into the lab. What could be a ride that takes 45 minutes without certainty now took 14 minutes. From nurse directly to lab technician, no non-medical nor administrative personnel touches the sample pneumatic container anymore. The laboratory team said they did not notice a difference versus a sample being delivered from within the hospital itself. That is an amazing result and the real-world news. The end user does not feel any of the new high-tech hardware and software systems that run seamlessly in the background. Thank you to the team and partners who worked on this achievement during the past 5 years. What seems like an overnight success took a lot of careful preparation with a truly multidisciplinary team. Just a few months ago, drone manufacturers were performing large-scale integration flight exercises with us at the BV-Loss test airport. Even as we saw multiple types of drones effectively operating from the drone cargo port, it somehow still sounded like science fiction. Now we are integrated into a fully operational hospital and laboratory. Amazing work. Fantastic women and men who made this all a reality. Congratulations to Jan Epperman Hospital for choosing deeds over words. Get it done, help the patient, and create history while doing so.
Dus ik sta hier niet alleen als minister van telecommunicatietechnologie, maar ook als arts. En het hele proces is geautomatiseerd. Dus er is geen piloot bij betrokken. Dat ding wordt geprogrammeerd vanuit Diksmuide. Dat komt er automatisch toe. Loopt automatisch zijn lading, zeg maar. En dus die bloedstalen komen gewoon rechtstreeks in het laboratorium klinische toe. Er moet niet iemand op dat dak bij die drone staan. Dus het is geen science fiction meer. Het is echt wel de realiteit. En dat de kwaliteit van de gezondheidszorg verbetert, lijkt mij heel goed.